So this is the convenience store that I'm always shopping in. I'm coming in here because I need to get a suitcase that I can place all of my makeup in, you guys, because right now I have way too much. And none of these are giving. They're just plain. Okay. So I might have to go to DD's discount. All right, y'all. So I am in DD's. And they don't have nothing either. Maybe because I'm just looking for something pink. It does. And it rolls like that. Okay, this one could possibly work. Alright, so it's looking like it's about to rain. I'm still about to go get my car washed because my car is filthy. And just because it's looking like it's going to rain, it doesn't mean it's going to rain. So I'm not about to be pulling up nowhere with my car looking a hot ass mess. But I decided, y'all, not to go into DD's and get any suitcase. I was about to buy this suitcase that was like $45. And then when I'm thinking about it, I'm like, I have to drive to LA. So that's $45 I can go on my tank. So who's with me? Okay? Who's with me on saving your motherfucking money and not spending unnecessary money? Because I do have like 3 suitcases at my house that I could use. But obviously, for my aesthetic and just me wanting something new, that's why I was about to be thirsty and buy another suitcase. So I'm about to go and run my car through the car wash, and then I have to go to the beauty supply so I can do my braid and all that good stuff. But yeah, so that's where we're headed, y'all, to the car wash. So it just started sprinkling. But I don't know if I trust it. I still want to, well, no, I don't want to go watch it because, yeah, that is just about to be a bit of a show. All right, so change of plans. We're going to let Mother Nature wash my car. And we're about to go to the beauty supply. All right, y'all, so I made it back home. I'm about to lay out all my stuff, and then I'll let you guys see like how I'm gonna organize my suitcase and all that good stuff. And then we are gonna get on the road, okay? Okay, y'all, so I am an advocate for stopping somewhere and getting on some press-on. So let me pop these babies on, and then we're gonna go ahead and organize the makeup bag. All right, you guys, so these are my press-ons. These press-ons were all of $10 from the beauty supply. They're just this little like bubble bath pink. And yes, bubble bath is a pink that be in most nail salons. So if you guys like this color, just ask if they have bubble bath. And then, make sure you guys take your nails with you and your glue if you're going to be doing any press-ons, because yeah, they are press-ons, so that means they press off. And they will have you looking dumb if you're out somewhere and can't replace it. So I just went ahead and put the rest of the nails and the glue in my purse. So now I'm about to do my makeup, and then we are gonna do this makeup caboodle. All right, you guys, so I'm on a bit of a time crunch, so I'm just gonna show you guys everything I have once I get there. Say hello to Juju, that's my doggy. But this is the suitcase that I'm gonna be putting all my stuff in. So I'm gonna show you guys my setup once I'm there, because I'm really on a time crunch. I still need to put my lashes on, I still need to get dressed, and I need to head out this motherfucking door. So I will see y'all in a second. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys real quick. This is all of my hair stuff and all of my makeup. So usually this is all placed and put together way nicer than this. But since I decided to be a last minute ass bitch, I had to throw shit into the suitcase. So yeah, and then I'll show you guys all of this laid out. All right, quick outfit check. So y'all don't mind my shirt that I just threw right there. I didn't have time. So I have on this Friday the 13th shirt. Y'all go add me on TikTok at Naig'e Cortez, because I showed you guys how I made this shirt real quick. I have this green purse. I have on my Pumas. Oh my God, there's a penny on the ground. And these are my favorite jeans, y'all. Like, it looks like the start of some pants on my legs, along with my start of my pants. So yeah, that's the look. And I just did this braid. That is also on my TikTok. I'll show you guys how I achieved that. But yeah, time to get on the motherfucking road. See y'all, life is all about choices. All about motherfucking choices. Cause you see that? That's $45 in my tank about to get me where I need to go. And if I would have spent $45 on a suitcase when I fucking have a suitcase, I would have been out of $80 for the day. So yeah, choices. All right, YouTube, I'm back, motherfuckers.
back.
So we are done with the prom, darling. She's laid and slayed, and now we are waiting for her champagne party to start. Y'all get a load of that. I'll see y'all in a minute. Oh my. I finished her makeup. She looked absolutely stunning. And now a few of me and my coworkers, we are going to go to Roscoe's Chicken and Waffles, and then that is the end. And yeah, coworkers, because the girl that I did makeup for, she's one of my coworkers' daughters. So yeah, we're about to grub. This really is not a good idea because the moment I eat, I'm about to be all tired and extra full and just lethargic, and then I start driving out. But yeah, so I'm gonna take you guys with me, and then yeah, I'll see y'all in time. I'm like falling right this high, falling into your ocean eyes, those ocean eyes. So it's super fucking dark. I'm trying to turn my light on. But yeah, you guys, that is it. That is a day in my life as a freelance makeup artist. As you guys can see, I have a lot of fun. I do have like clients that are strangers, but like most of my clients are family or, you know, referrals from friends. So the environment is always like comfortable and welcoming and just like cool. But I've just drove an hour home. I am really tired, and yeah, I'm just really happy with the way that she turned out. She looked beautiful, and I'm happy I was able to take you guys along with me. Like, I'm so proud of myself because this has been like one of my goals, you know, to be able to stay consistent with my YouTube channel. And even though I've literally only gained like 5 subscribers, I'm like so happy with just my consistency and just getting content out there for you guys. And one of my main goals was to do a full fucking day vlog, like the entire day, and I did it, and I'm happy, and I hope y'all enjoyed it. But like always, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.